The other day I was watching Totoro and I got to this scene. And I was like, oh my god, she's so cute. But also, it's lunchtime and I'm feeling a little hungry. A little bit peckish, some might say. But I don't want just any basic bento box. I want a character bento box that's gonna blow my socks off. And so I decided to reach out to the bento box queen herself, Jessica, and see if she would be down to join me in a Studio Ghibli themed bento box challenge. You know, I asked her for help and then I was like, actually, I got this. I know how to make bento boxes. And then I did it without consulting her. More on that later, but anyway. Since she was down, I spent the next day prepping for like 2 hours to get all the ingredients prepped for the bento box. Being a mom is hard. Much love to my mom who made me lunch every day growing up.
Anyway, I'm about to watch Jessica's footage for the first time. She's a pro. Here's what she made.
I'm making my Studio Ghibli bento box lunch and I picked Spirited Away. I'm making no face with some rice and use saran wrap to make a bean shape. I'm wrapping it up with some nori seaweed and I cut the excess off with some scissors. Now I'm taking some provolone cheese and making a oval shape for the face. I made some eyes, mouth, and 4 triangles for the face design. Using a food pick, or you can use a toothpick, I'm adding the face design on, and I dipped it in some water so the seaweed could stick to the cheese. I'm adding some rice on the bottom of the bento box, adding our no face right on top. I steamed up some broccoli and I'm adding those in, also some hot dogs, and now I'm slicing up some carrots, adding those in. Next, I'm gonna use some of the provolone cheese we had left over and cutting flower shapes out of them, putting those in as well. I also wanted to give No Face some arms, so I made those. For the side, I added taiyaki, which are fish-shaped cake snacks, some edamame, and some berries with a cute flower present food pick. And now for the note, I'm writing, "Once you meet someone, you really never forget them." I'm just folding the note up, adding a sticker, and we're all done. Ta-da!
Let's make some lunch for Sakura! So first, I made the body of Totoro with some rice and some black sesame, and then I made a little Totoro friend rice ball with some pickled plum. I tried to fit in a dust mite, but he didn't fit in the bento box. So I said adios to him. Then I packed it in, I put a layer of lettuce and then the rice ball. And then I made some cute little eyes with American cheese and seaweed. All cute things need blush, so obviously I added some pickled plum blush. And then I cut out some carrots for leaves. And then I made the cat bus with some aburage or fried tofu. And I was most excited about this because I felt like it was pretty accurate. I used some seaweed and more American cheese for decoration. Then I filled in the rest of the bento box. So I decorated my meatballs with my special sauce and tried to cut up a wiener like an octopus, but surprisingly way harder than I thought it'd be. And then I got some croquettes, some chikua, which is like fish cake, I think, and I put in the carrots inside because it looked a little more floury. Filled in the gaps with some lettuce and wood ear mushrooms, some mashed potatoes, some edamame skewers, and then I made my dessert tier: blueberries, apples, and some eclairs. So that's it. I'm proud of how it came out, but it took me probably like 2 hours to put this together. Jessica was done in maybe 30 minutes. That's where I was like, okay, this lady is a master. I am a young Padawan. Hello. I was so nervous to show Jessica and Adeline my bento box. I wasn't sure if they'd be able to guess which movie I did because we didn't tell each other beforehand. Oh my god, and then I forgot the quintessential note. Like, this is what I get for not consulting Jessica first. I am proud of it. But they still managed to guess mine, which I was extremely proud of. And of course, I was blown away by Spirited Away. Yeah, I learned a lot from this. My mom's a superhero, Jessica's a superhero. Bento boxes are not as easy as you think they are, but they're really fun to eat. Thanks for watching. Bye. ねえ、ちくわってそのまんま食べるもんだよね。一応なんかお湯にさっと通すとかしてるってこと？バズンガ。